Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is indirectly implicated in the forced eviction of 300 families in St. Martin's, Harare, in what the residents describe as one of the city's most blatant cases of land double dipping and administrative fraud. Sarabena mashoko buda pangwaina achinyogwa mzimu ayachinzi. VP Chiwenga orders eviction of 300 St. Martin's families for Catholic University project. Help subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamuda ni kwa mshinzi. The affected properties lie along Airport Road, opposite one commando barracks near the Catholic University of Zimbabwe. The residents allege the city of Harare resolved the same land to the Zimbabwe Catholic Bishops Conference ZVAITWA despite their lawful ownership. David Jenje, chairperson of the St. Martin's Pay Scheme, said, "We hold documented rights and interests in this land, supported by official records from the city of Harare, including the district officer and housing director's offices. We have the offer letters, sale agreements, and receipts confirming payment of the full land value." Residents began developing the land in 2019 with infrastructure projects including roads, water, and sewerage underway. Building materials were even delivered to the site and stored at the council's remembrance offices. Some of that material later went missing, and the city acknowledged the responsibility, Chenje added. The dispute escalated after a letter from the Ministry of Local Government, signed by Secretary Dr. J. Wasera, cited Vice President Chiwenga's direct involvement. The letter ordered the city of Harare to immediately facilitate freeing up of all incumbencies on the property and to urgently transfer same to government for a medical hub project. It adds, government will compensate city of Harare with 36 hectares of land to Kimcourt farm. Given the urgency of this matter, may you expedite the transfer so that the project may take off. One resident told ZimI, City Council sold the land to us first, but years later, they offered the same land to the Catholic University. Now we are being told that Vice President Chiwenga, who is Catholic, is pushing for the land to be transferred to the university. They even say we should move to the farm in Beatrice. This land is private property. Government has no right to repossess it. The residents described the eviction as illegal and unconstitutional. We are 300 legitimate beneficiaries. We bought this land lawfully in 2018. We paid everything required by City Council. Now we are being threatened with eviction simply because of political influence. If this goes through, no private property in Zimbabwe is safe, the residents added. Domash Kobdanyo Kopangwa Ino. Tuze mafunguro enyu, motu kulipa msuru pe now e. Pinako message medu za funguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.